you were saying don't invest it in your business yet. Invest it in your head first. So that was where we were before we cut
That's
off.
pretty much it though. That's pretty much it. So before you invest in your business, invest in yourself, right? Because if you have 2 million naira, you put it in your business without putting it in your head, you're going to lose the business and you're going to lose your head, right? So invest a portion of that money in your education concerning how your business should run. A lot of entrepreneurs don't pay for courses. They feel like, I'm passionate, I will succeed. That doesn't work. It doesn't work that way. I remember you took one of my courses, MBT, and I hope I was able to give you some sort of direction back in the day.
Yep.
You know what I mean? So a lot of entrepreneurs don't do that. They just think that, well, I'm just going to play it by ear and hope to God that it goes great. But that's not the way things go. You have to educate yourself so that you don't run your business down. So that's my take on it, man.
Okay, educate yourself so you don't run your business down. Now, a problem I found out that many entrepreneurs complain about is, remember what we talked about earlier? Everybody seems to be a coach right now. Everybody seems to be an expert. Everybody seems to know the answer. People just go around saying, coach, expert. I'm doing this. I'm the one. You understand? That's what everybody says right now. Now, how do upcoming entrepreneurs, new guys, they've never heard of, Steve, right? They've never heard of the coach's coach. All right, they've never heard of, probably all the beautiful things that you've done and the experiences that we've had by meeting you and all the things you've done for us and how we've been able to grow because of you. All right, they've never heard of all that. How do they now pick out the coaches to trust? All right, how do they know the coaches, to run with? Because sometimes you hear somebody saying some very funny thing. Oh, my coach told me not to do so and so. I'm like, not to do so and so. That's crap. Your coach can be telling you not to do that because that will not work. So why would she tell you to do that? You understand? So when they've met this kind of people, they probably run into trouble. They've paid for different courses, paid for things, and they have not gotten results. What do they do?
That's a really hard question. And I
Okay, so you were saying.
All right, so I was saying that I'm not sure I know how to answer the question without throwing some people under the bus. Let's get this bus started, shall we? All right.
Yep. All right.
What I will say is your coach is not the sole repository of knowledge. I will be the first to tell people that I don't know everything, right? So some coaches are life coaches, but they are not business coaches. So if you look on my bio, it says life and business strategist. So for example, I'm a life coach, certified and trained. However, I'm a business consultant. I've been doing business management consulting, business consulting for all sorts of organizations for at least 15 years. So while I can help you, so for example, if you come to me and say, Steve, I'm depressed, somebody slid in my DM and said, do you do psychotherapy? I said, no, I'm coached in that, so I can, but that's not my forte. So I said, go and meet Bankole Williams, right? Do you do career coaching? I can, but that's not my forte. Go and meet Jimmy Taylor. You know what I mean? So you've got to be very crystal clear about who is trying to help you. So I'm the first to always say, I don't have all the answers, man. You can ask me something and I'll tell you, you know what, let me go and pray about it, or let me go read about it. Let me get back to you. But more importantly, the job of your coach is to help you win championships. The job of your coach is to help you succeed, right? Now, no matter how great your coach is, if you don't put in the work, you will not succeed, right? So you can be the special one. Your coach can be the special one, like Jose Mourinho or Pep Guardiola. You can have the best coach in the world, but if you have a bunch of Manchester United players who don't want to put their lives on the line, you're going to lose. That's what's going to happen. You know what I mean? So you've got to be able to put, both people have to put in work. But how do you tell who should coach you? I think it's the coach. The Bible says that when Elizabeth heard Mary walk into her house, the baby inside her womb leapt for joy. So you have to have a coach that you have an affinity with, that his or her message resonates with you. There's some people who will never work with me because they think I'm too cocky or I'm too arrogant or I cuss once in a while. They won't be comfortable with that. So I can't speak to you no matter what. If I cuss you out, like, I don't know, Steve just, I'm not for everyone. I tell people I'm not water. I'm like tequila. If you take a sip, it will burn your chest, but you'll say, I want to give me another one. That's exactly how I am. Right? So you got to know who's affiliated with you. But more importantly, you have to look at their track record. Look at their results. I tell people, look, before you even think about signing up with me for coaching, go and ask the people. Investigate before you invest. Go and ask the people that I've been privileged to work with. How is Steve? Did he help you get results? What is he like? What doesn't he like? How come it didn't work for you? How come it worked for you? Blah, blah, blah. So do research. Investigate before you invest. There's some amazing coaches out there who I'm very proud to put my name behind to say that they're amazing. And there's some people who are learning work. It's true. There's some people who are still learning work. They're apprentices. They should not say coaching is serious business. I take coaching so serious. I think coaching is like mental surgery. So as a doctor now, think about it this way. If a doctor performs a surgery and forgets his scalpel inside of you, you can sue him for medical malpractice, for reckless endangerment and all those things, because you have evidence that he left his scalpel inside of you, or he didn't suture the wound perfectly, or he endangered your life. You can sue him to court, right? But coaching is different because you don't see how we've messed up your wires. One coach can say something to you. I will take your business down the road, down Lekki Expressway. You'll be going down by yourself. You don't know that he has touched one wire that he should not have touched, and he will constantly self-sabotage. So coaching, for me, I think coaching, certifications are good. It's always great to get certifications. You can't see, no matter how many seasons of The Good Doctor or House I've watched, I am not a doctor. You will not give me a scalpel because I will kill you. No matter how many seasons of great, Boston Legal or Suits I've watched, I'm not a lawyer. I still have to be certified. No matter how many motivational books or coaching books I've read, if you are not certified, you will go and kill people. So investigate before you invest. Look for results and see if this coach vibes with you on a level. That's what it is.
Thank you so much for that. Thank you very, very much. I think that's a good place to drop it for today. But before we go, are there any other questions, guys? Tivari is about to go. You are getting free coaching. So you better ask your questions now. Free coaching.